I was raised in a different era. The set of values that y'all use can never perish. Y'all confuse celebrity with integrity, so I regrettably readily expose what's in the mirror. Bitch nigga, what the business is. Fake rappers do more damage than any minstrel did. Now the fairer skin has been peppered in, the era ends. They done got better at cooning than most these niggas is. Step and fetch some recognition. Do we really like the shit or just victims of repetition? If we record pitching, they picking the least most definitive. I don't follow trends, they purposely try to limit his. Let's eliminate the label from the genre and let the labels like take fate in the form of karma. If we calmly disagree, then they label you as a problem. I'ma be a thorn in their side till they embalm them. God.
We walk with God. We wear the
I was raised with respect, so I live by a code that was laid by the vets. When y'all niggas pay homage to your ancestors, when y'all niggas be honest, you let the man get you. Tap dancing, man tanning and spoon slapping, bandwagon and hand slapping and grand dragon. I hate the fact that I was right when 10% of the weak shit is hogging up the light. And why it's only poor niggas pouring up the Sprite. I survived the struggle, I'm blessed, driven, and humble. When I pour libation, I usually make it a double. Yeah. Cause I came from King T, I MC, I kill rappers and think backwards, so it's like you're fucked. Catch fakes between takes and I touch y'all up. Let's loop the beat breaks, watch me fuck y'all up. That's on God we trust, Xzibit.
We walk with God. We wear the company you keep. Been here too long. Keep all their wickedness from me.
America to the motherland, our future is backwards. Black shores, hijack Moors became the crack whores. Rap wars, what snitches getting stacks for? Marcus Garvey, Black Star pilot to Blackbird. Only real ones come aboard, we on one accord. We accept Jesus like you love the Lord. Born again like Jason on Tomato. They can't control the prophecy, so they hate them, underrate them. I read the haters, DNA verbatim. Electrocute a nigga like Raiden. This is called rap, y'all say we too lyrical? That's like making square basketballs, not spherical. Masters say dumb shit, get repeated by jigaboos. You dumb nigga, you. Pin hit you like whips, or the extendo dude. Then your physical flip, invent more styles, Simone bows in this bitch.
We walk with